and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey, and as you can see, finally I got round to doing my hair again. Yes, I know, it took forever. Anyway, so because I was doing it, I figured that why not film it and why not talk to you a little bit about the actual dye that I've been using. So I obviously did my Arctic Fox versus Manic Panic video the other day. If you haven't seen that, I'll put it up there in a link for you. But yeah, basically I was just talking about, because Manic Panic is the first dye I used and then this is the second dye I used, so I wanted to kind of draw a little bit of a comparison between them. And yeah, so I ordered these. These are all really small bottles. They must not have had any big ones in stock. I got 2 of the Purple Rain and 1 of the Violet Dream because I mixed them together. I'm actually thinking I may go lighter next time, but that's a different story. So I took some clips of me kind of doing the little bits and pieces now. I didn't kind of put in this is how to bleach your roots, this is how to dye your hair, because I am not a trained hair professional and I don't feel comfortable telling you guys how to bleach your roots because I don't really know how to do it myself, to be honest. So I've kind of put in some clips just showing you me doing it. It's probably a total mess and a total nightmare, but yeah, it kind of gives you the idea. Sometimes I like to see, just to see different people's techniques on doing it. I think my camera battery died at one point as well, but there's some clips anyway, so if you aren't seeing them already, I'll put them in at the end, but maybe I'll overlay them while I'm talking because really you're just looking at me sitting here anyway. So obviously if you've already seen the video that I made last week, about the hair dye, you'll already know that I really didn't like the Manic Panic and I decided to get the Arctic Fox after trying it because a friend gave me some. And yeah, so I decided to go for the Purple Rain because that was the colour that she gave me it in, and then I thought that it was just a little bit dark, so I added in Violet Dream as well. And now, I don't know if you can see on camera, but really all doing that did was sort of give almost like highlights. I don't know if that's how I would describe it, but it's a dark colour, but it's really bright, so it kind of compensates. But the Violet Dream just sort of adds a little bit of lightness to it, so you can sort of see little bits of it through it. And obviously the before picture that you'll have seen is this faded out, so it fades out to like this really, really different colour. It fades to sort of like a pinky purple, and I actually really, really love that colour. So once this is faded out to that colour, I might actually see if Arctic Fox have a colour that's more like that. But anyway, put it this way, after 2 months it faded out, and when it faded out, yes, it faded out really patchy because my hair's obviously grabbed it in different places. That will obviously get better as time goes on, but I kind of like the ombre look. I don't know why, I kind of liked how it went that sort of blonde way. But anyway, so basically they sell them in 4 fluid ounces and 8 fluid ounces, and I'll put up the price on the screen because I'm not entirely sure of it right now. But it's basically no peroxide, no ammonia, no ethyl alcohol, no PPD, vibrant colours, added conditioner, vegan, and it's not tested on animals. And I didn't actually notice this before, but they're all against animal cruelty, and 15% of the profit is donated to help save animals. It doesn't say exactly where it's donated to, but I'm sure they pick different charities. So yeah, I will leave the link in the description box where you can get it from. If you're in the UK like me, I would just suggest going to Arctic Fox to get the stuff. Like don't try and order it from Amazon or anything like that because it's more expensive anyway. It's just as cheap doing it from Arctic Fox themselves. Their postage is pretty reasonable, and actually I did say previously that their shipping time took a while, but this lot actually came really quickly. It was maybe 5 days, if that. So yeah, to give you an idea of how much you might need, my hair, oh god, my hair is really quite long just now. It actually comes right over and sits just underneath my boobs. So that's the length of it. It is pretty thick, as you'll have seen if there's a clip of it. I will put it up now. My hair is really wild. It's like almost afro hair. It's insane. So it is really, really thick, and I think there's probably little dregs in here, but I used 2 of these, so that's basically 240 ml, and I don't know, I would say half of this. So yeah, probably I would say get 3 just to be safe. If your hair's shorter than mine, you might only need 2. If your hair's really short, you might only need 1. But I generally was mixing 2 parts Purple Rain, 1 part Violet Dream to get this colour. I don't know if I showed that on camera or not. But I think that's pretty much it. So I just really wanted to update you guys and tell you what exactly it was that I was using. Just in case you're curious, because I'm a beauty therapist, I obviously use salon services. So the stuff that I got from salon services to bleach my hair was cream peroxide for hair colouring and bleaching. It's salon services own make, and it's 6% 20 volume. So I've got that, and then I always get a blue powder. This is just the dust-free powder bleach in XL Blue. It's a 500g pot, and it's from Salon Services as well. I didn't really want to get anything too fancy, so I thought I'll just get their own brand and give it a go from there. Because like I said, when I got my hair bleached originally, all of it, I did it professionally. I went to the salon that I work in and they did it for me. All I do bleach wise is bleach my roots, and even then I think when I did my roots this time I maybe left it in for 15 minutes. No longer than that. Maybe it was even 10 minutes, I'm not sure, but it really wasn't long at all. When it was done, it wasn't blonde, it was sort of a yellowy ginger, and it was quite patchy because I had to do it like super quick. So it did come out patchy, but as you can see, I've got a sort of shadow root going on, which I'm actually really liking, and I would rather have a darker root than a bleach blonde root or damage the roots of my hair, because it is virgin hair. So yeah, I think that's about it. If you get any questions on anything to do with hair or anything like that, if I can help you, I will answer them. But if not, I can always go to somebody and ask their advice. But I think that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so hopefully I will see you in the next one.